Hi everyone, this is the demo for ByteMyMood. Before we dive into the demo, I want to quickly share the inspiration behind this project. When I first moved into the US as an international student, I really struggled with cooking. I didn't grow up cooking much, so during my first year, I ate out all the time. It was expensive and unhealthy. I wanted to start cooking at home, but I never knew where to start, what to make, what tool I needed, or even if I have the right ingredients. That's when I thought, what if there was something that could guide me through the entire process? That idea became ByteMyMood, a multi-agent AI system that not only helps you decide what to cook based on how you feel, but also walks you through shopping and cooking step by step. So let's start. I'll first begin with a simple input here. So I say, hi, I feel a bit stressed today. I live in San Jose, US. I have grill, oven, and stove. I want something sweet. So let's provide the engine, our mood, where the location, and then what cooking equipment I have, and then our preference here. So the inspiration agent will first check if there's any allergies for me. So I say no seafood here, and then it will check our taste preference and all moderate here. So it will transfer using the weather check agent to see the Google weather API, the how's the weather in the location here. So like this, San Jose is sunny and the temperature is 21.1 Celsius degrees Celsius. And then based on all these information, it will comes up recipe suggestions here. And then after this, it will transfer to the planning agent. And the planning agent will start with by analyzing a photo of the fridge. So the fridge is good at identifying items but not perfect with the quantities. So the agent will start checking the items is correct or not and the quantity for each items. And then based on it will create a shopping list for any missing ingredients. And then after you finish shopping, you can come back here and then say start cooking. And then it will transfer to the execution agent. And for the execution agent, it will parse the instruction into steps. And for each step, it will create an image for user to reference and some cooking instruction. And yeah, that's the demo.